Well, for whatever reason it may be, people give their time for many reasons. It makes a difference in their lives, but also others.
At hospitals, the limit does not exist when it comes to care. And in Lake County, a group of ladies is being praised for their volunteer work.
News 6 Insider Guide Crystal Moyer joins us now. And Crystal, you met up with these healthcare heroes.
Yes, I sat down with a group of volunteers at Orlando Health South Lake Hospital in Lake County. Let me tell you, they are all there for different reasons, but with the same intentions, just to be kind during some of the most stressful and downright frightening moments of being in the hospital.
Nobody wants to be in the hospital. As a patient, as a visitor, it's not. But if you could just make them smile and realize somebody else cares about them, and when I do that, I feel like, wow, you know, just a little glow there.
Kay Tripp, Laura Gumba, Tony DeFazio, and Donna DeJaneiro. Together, these women have banked 75 years of service here at Orlando Health South Lake Hospital.
That's a lot of years.
Amazing.
It is.
The original South Lake Hospital was founded in 1947, undergoing multiple renovations and rebuilds over the next few decades to become this newer facility. Additions are on the way to bring more healthcare accessibility to Lake County residents.
It's surprising because, you know, one day you're here and all the orange groves, and within 2 years the orange groves are gone and there's all rooftops. Oh, yeah.
Each woman inspired to give back for different reasons. Some looking for a retirement activity.
I tried golf. It was not a good thing. Truly, it's not. You're not supposed to sit down on the ground and laugh at your husband's shot. So, you know, had to find something to do.
Or introduced to volunteering through others.
Because my daughter felt like I needed to do something.
Some returning after the loss of a husband.
So when he passed, this was my way of giving back to what they did for me.
These volunteers work in different departments of the hospital, helping out with clerical work like answering phones and directing patients at the front desk. Others cleaning equipment and assisting patients with simple errands. They may be doing different tasks, but let me tell you, they are all people persons.
I walk in somebody's room and I say, "Hi, I brought you these flowers," and they smile. I say it's the best job in the world because everybody's happy to see me.
DeFazio is 95 years young, having volunteered the longest here at South Lake.
When I would push people in wheelchairs, they used to always kid me and say, maybe I should be pushing you. And I said to them, do I look that old? And we would laugh, and I would make them forget that they were going for a procedure that they were concerned about.
Great personalities there. Through the program, these volunteers say they don't get paid in money, but in the currency of rewarding experiences and close friendships. Orlando Health has volunteer programs for teens and adults. I posted information on clickorlando.com/insider, ladies.
Having volunteers like that in any type of medical setting is so key.
Oh my gosh.
Providing that personal, caring, warm touch.
If you've ever spent any time in the
Yeah.
hospital, I remember when my mom was sick and her room was never empty, the saddest thing to see was when you'd walk down the hall and there'd be rooms where no one was in with another person. And so those women are really making a huge difference.
Yeah, and they've all been there before and experienced
Mm-hmm.
what it's like to be in the hospital or have a loved one in the hospital.
that's
so that
great.
makes it even better.